Hello everyone, welcome back to UltFone channel. Here, I will show you how to fix iPhone 11 stuck on a tempting data recovery screen after update. Quickly, easily, and without data loss. Let's dive in. Method 1. Force restart iPhone 11. Sometimes, a simple force restart can get everything back to normal. For iPhone 11, just quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Usually, it can fix most iPhone bugs. If the device boots up normally, great, but if it's still stuck, continue to Method 2. Method 2. Use UltFone iOS system repair. No data loss. If the force restart doesn't work, the easiest and safest way to fix it is to use a tool like UltFone iOS system repair. It can fix more than 150 iOS system problems, including stuck on a tempting data recovery screen, stuck on Apple logo, and other problems without losing data. Here's how to use it. Connect your iPhone 11 with USB and put it in recovery mode. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and finally hold the power button until you see the Connect to iTunes logo appear. Then open UltFone, click Start Repair, and select Standard Repair. The software will then automatically detect your device and download the correct firmware. Wait for a while, and after the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair and wait for the process to complete. The repair process takes about 10 minutes. After the repair is complete, your iPhone should restart and work normally, and your data will be safe. If you need, you can download and try it from the link below the video. Method 3. Update or restore iPhone through iTunes. Risk of data loss. As a last resort, you can use iTunes to restore your iPhone, but please remember to back up your data in advance to prevent data loss. First, connect iPhone to the computer and put it into recovery mode as in the second method. Press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Open iTunes and you will see a window like this. Select Restore or Update. Select Restore, which means your phone will be reset and data will be lost. Select Update, which means your phone system will be updated. So, if you have no intention of upgrading the system or don't want to lose data, iTunes can only be used as a last resort. Here, we click Restore and follow the prompts to download the corresponding firmware. The above are 3 ways to fix iPhone 11 stuck on the attempting data recovery screen when upgrading. If you want the safest and easiest option, I definitely recommend trying UltFone iOS system repair, no data loss, and no complicated steps. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.